Hi, I'm Dan. In this video, I'm going to fingerspell 10 Christmas related words. Now the pace will be quite quick and the words challenging, so feel free to pause or rewind and rewatch if you need to. Let me know how you get on. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10. How did you get on? Remember, that was a tough one. So make use of the pause, the rewind, and even the slow play feature on YouTube. Let me know how many you got. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.